Konnichiwa MinaSan, welcome to Romero's channel. Because Mother's Day is coming, I would like to greet everyone a happy Mother's Day. Especially to my mother, mother-in-law, sister, to all my tita, to my friends, and to all the wonderful and so much appreciated mother. Happy Mother's Day. That's why for today, we're going to make a very simple and very delicious dessert, and it's a fruit salad. So let's get started. Flying kiss. Happy Mother's Day, everyone. This is the ingredients that we're going to use in making a fruit salad. I bought all these ingredients in the Asian store because I don't have Nestle cream. That's why I'm going to use this fresh whipped cream for our fruit salad and this grated natural cheese. It's not a promotional video, guys, but because I want to eat fruit salad for this coming Mother's Day, that's why I'm going to use all these ingredients. 1 big can of fruit cocktail, 1 bottle of coconut gel or nata de coco, 1 can of young coconut strips, or you can use a fresh coconuts for this fruit salad, 1 can of condensed milk or condensed creamer. Because I want my fruit salad to be creamy, that's why I'm going to use this 2 pack of fresh whipped cream, or you can use only 1 if you don't like so creamy fruit salad, and 1 cup of grated cheese, or you can add more cheese if you like. Using a strainer or coriander, we're going to drain the excess liquid or syrup in our fruit cocktail can. Then we're going to drain also the syrup in our coconut gel or nata de coco. And for our young coconut strip. After draining the syrup, we will transfer this in a clean container. We're going to put our condensed milk or condensed creamer. Then we will pour the fresh whipped cream. Then add some cheese. Mix all together until all the ingredients are evenly distributed or well combined. It's done. You can make this recipe for your mother's treat this coming Mother's Day. It's so simple and easy to make. We're going to put the lid because fruit salad is best to eat when it's cold. That's why we're going to put this in the refrigerator for a few hours. After chilling it for a few hours, we will going to taste this later.
2 hours later.
We're going to taste our fruit salad. Creamy fruit salad. Let's taste our fruit salad. Eat that, eat. Once again, I want to greet all the mothers out there. A happy Mother's Day, everyone. From Romero's channel. Thank you. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. Miyuki, flying kiss. She's not in the mood. She really wants to eat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. If you enjoy watching our vlog for today, please don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and subscribe to Romero's channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.